So I'm in SQL and I have this table. So if I do show tables, you'll see that I have this table called test in my test database. Well, I don't really want this table anymore. So how do I get rid of it? Well, that's what we're gonna talk about today. So let's get right into it. All right, so before we get into deleting this table within our database, I wanna give you a word of warning. So deleting a table is also known as dropping a table. And it's based off of the keyword of drop. But before you do this command, I want to let you know that this is and can be sometimes a scary or dangerous command, because as soon as this command is executed, there's no going back. It will be deleted. And that means not only is the table deleted, but all of the data that was in that table is gone. So when you use this command, double, triple, quadruple, a bazillion times, check it and make sure that it is the right command and you're deleting the right thing, because once you run this, it's gone. So now that's out of the way, I want to show you the syntax about how you can go ahead and drop or delete this test table in SQL. All right, so now with that word of warning out of the way, let's go ahead and show you how you can drop or delete a table from a database. So the syntax is essentially going to be the keyword of drop. Now again, you can do drop or you can do just lowercase. So drop, and then you're going to say table, the keyword of table, again, lowercase or uppercase, all uppercase. And then you're going to give it the table name that you want to drop. And then a semicolon after that to let SQL know that you're done saying what you need to do. That is essentially the syntax, or the basic syntax that we use to drop a table. So if I want to drop the test table within the database test, all we're going to do is say drop table and do test and then semicolon, and now hit enter, and just says, okay, query is okay, 0 rows affected. And I believe that's because I didn't actually have any rows or any data in my test table. So now if I do the command of show tables within our database, we'll see that there's no more tables. This is now gone. It has been deleted. So that is simply how you can delete or drop a table in SQL. And that's your SQL tip of the day. Till next time, keep on programming.